Alright, if you've ever tried pulling business data or reviews from Yelp, you know the pain: endless clicking, copying, pasting, and hours wasted just to build a simple lead list or gather customer feedback. It's boring, it's slow, and honestly, it's not the best use of your time. But today, I'm going to show you how to scrape Yelp reviews and leads 100% automatically using a tool called BrowserAgent. No coding, no fragile scrapers, no manual copying. Just type what you want and let AI do the heavy lifting while you sit back and watch. Think about it. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or side hustler, leads and reviews are the lifeblood of your business. But pulling them manually from Yelp? That's a nightmare. You're stuck copying names, phone numbers, websites, emails, and reviews, one by one. And if you've tried traditional scrapers, you know they break the second Yelp changes a button or adds a pop-up. Plus, many scrapers can't handle login-protected or JavaScript-heavy sites, so you're back to square one, wasting time. That's where BrowserAgent comes in. It's the first AI-powered browser worker that literally opens a live browser in the cloud and does the web work for you. Clicking, typing, scrolling, scraping, filling forms, posting content, even sending outreach. Here's the magic: BrowserAgent doesn't just pull data, it actually sees the page like a human assistant would. That means it works on messy, login-protected, JavaScript-heavy sites like Yelp, where other tools choke. Let me break it down in 3 simple missions you can run today. Step 1. Scrape Yelp leads. Just type, "Find me 100 dentists in Miami" on Yelp with phone numbers and websites. BrowserAgent opens Yelp, navigates listings, clicks through profiles, and collects the data. Step 2. Scrape Yelp reviews. Want to analyze customer sentiment? Tell BrowserAgent, pull the last 50 reviews for Italian restaurants in Chicago. It grabs reviewer names, ratings, and comments, then organizes them neatly in a spreadsheet. Step 3. Scrape Yelp business details. Need emails, websites, or hours of operation? BrowserAgent extracts all of that automatically, so you can build complete lead lists without lifting a finger. And the best part? You can literally watch the AI moving the cursor, clicking, and scraping in real time. It's the most jaw-dropping demo you'll ever show a client. Now, imagine what you can do with this. Local SEO pros. Run complete Yelp audits and sell them as $300 reports, or use them to close $500 per month retainers. Lead general sellers. Build fresh prospect lists daily in niches like dentists, gyms, med spas, or restaurants. Cold outreach agencies. Personalize outreach at scale without manually researching every prospect. Freelancers and side hustlers. Add sellable services without adding more manual work to your day. BrowserAgent turns boring browser work into money missions you can run while you sleep. Here's why BrowserAgent is different. It's not a fragile scraper, it works on real websites like Yelp. It runs in the cloud, so you don't tie up your computer. Your logins are AES 256 encrypted, safe, and secure. You get commercial rights. Every lead list, report, or piece of content is 100% yours to sell. And the kicker? It's a one-time $37 launch price. No $200 per month SaaS fees. So, if you're tired of wasting hours copying Yelp listings and reviews manually, it's time to let AI do the work. BrowserAgent is your virtual employee that never sleeps, never quits, and never asks for a raise. Click the link below, grab BrowserAgent today, and start scraping Yelp reviews and leads 100% automatically. Build lead lists, analyze reviews, sell audits, close retainers, all without lifting a finger. Alright, that's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered money hacks, and drop a comment telling me what niche you'll scrape first with BrowserAgent. Until next time, keep automating, keep scaling, and let AI handle the boring stuff while you focus on growing your business. See you in the next video.